wonder what they're gonna do in here. They're probably gonna put in the facade and stuff, you think? Or like, well, or maybe like this kind of stuff here. Oh my God, they're right, because. Oh, there we go. That is a huge near miss on these fences here.
Oh yeah.
You're only about this. You're only about a foot and a half over the fence. 175 feet. So we're
as high as American.
So we're almost as high as Goliath. We're not quite as high as Raging Bull. We're actually between the turnaround of Raging Bull and Max Force, where the dog took. There it is. Oh, there we go. That's cool. Woo. Oh, that was nice. Holy jeez. Oh, wow. There we go. Jeez, we're, oh wow. Wow.
Sorry,
my God, this is awesome.
Oh my God. He's trying to rip my glasses right off. Oh.
Nice.
It's trying to rip my glasses right off.
What's that?
It's trying to rip my glasses right off. Oh my God.
Woo.
Alright.
That's cool.
I literally felt it coming off.
Oh my God, this ride is cool. This ride is freaking awesome.
This ride is no joke.
Yeah, no.
Oh boy.
This is a badass ride.
Ow!
Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane, but it is a hell of a lot of fun.
It is.
Oh my God, yeah, it is. And hanging out with you, man, it's pretty cool.
That was crazy.
It was fun.
Yeah.
It was fun.